today I want to talk about another expression that you maybe hear more often in hair cutting. It calls over directing. Over directing means when your direction of your hair is this way, you hold the hair opposite of the direction of hair. So when hair falling this way, for example, here is the front of hair. When the hair falling this way, you holding hair opposite side of the hair growth. So for each part of hair, over directing is gonna be different. For the side, the hair direction is gonna be, because hair falling this way, you should go this way. So basically, whenever you directing the hair opposite side of the normal and natural hair growth, it calls over directing. When we use over directing, when we want to blend the hair with the other, but meanwhile we don't want to cut the hair short or make it hair longer, we're using the over direct. If you have this hair, let's say this part of hair, when you're holding hair here 90 degree and you want to cut the hair, when you're holding, see the hair is going away from my finger. It means you keep the length. You want to just blend it with up, from the bottom to up. You want to blend it, but don't make it shorter. So if I hold it this way, you need to cut this much, but when I over directing, you see, you don't need to cut anything. I hope this video helped you to understand what is over directing.